What's going on, guys? It's pretty early in the morning, just opening up for the day, getting everything going. I wanted to do a quick unboxing video. We got our Magna-Matic blade sharpening system. Just gonna open it up. As you can see, it's sealed up. I have no idea what's inside. This box is heavy. It's gotta be at least 70 pounds, easily. This is heavy. So I just wanted to make a quick video, opening up, see what's going on, and then the next video will kind of be setting it up and using it. So again, this is the first time we've had a blade sharpening system like this. We've always used like an angle grinder or something like that over the years. So just gonna kind of pop it open and see what's going on, that's all. Bear with me 1 second. Cardboard, styrofoam stuff here. So this is packed pretty well. Check that out. We got packets. Again, I'm going to take this out, guys, and then I'll show you. This is really heavy. Hold on 1 second. Gotta lift this down. Hold on 1 second. Gotta do this a little different. So, I'll show you in here. We got, this is the blade sharpening system itself. As you can see, it's packed pretty well. This is the balancer. I can just tell by how heavy it is. We got one of the, I'll open that up in a second. This is the 8200, by the way. This looks like the guard that kind of deflects the what is it, the sparks. So, all right, hang on 1 second, guys. I'm going to have to lift this down. Pop it open. Like I said, this is easily 70 pounds. So, stop doing this one-handed, so bear with me. Oh, so this is pretty cool. This is on, it looks like a platform. So, 1 second. So actually, the easiest way to do this is to break down that box. Wow, that's heavy. Okay. So in here looks like another guard system. Some cardboard. All right, guys. This is the Magna-Matic 8200. Wow, that's heavy. So, this is what we got. Again, I'm going to make another video of opening everything up, but shipping-wise, they really packed this thing together. All these packing peanuts and how tightly together everything was good. That was pretty cool. Especially something like this, which is close to $2 grand. But this is it, guys. So, pretty excited to get this going. We sharpen, God, every night. We have 3 different mowers, a 48, 36, and a 21. So that's 3 sets of blades every day, Monday through Friday for the mowing crew. So that's got to be done. So this is pretty cool. I'm pretty excited to get this going. And it looks like on here they have one of those quick start videos, but it came bolted to this piece of wood, which is pretty cool. I did not buy the big stand for it. The big stand was a little expensive. If you guys have seen my other videos, you see that I'd rather spend money on the good stuff, and then if you can make something yourself or save yourself a couple $100, or in that case almost another $1,000, build it. Now this table I have in mind, I'm gonna have to build or buy something. Maybe I'll buy something cheap, I don't know yet, but this thing's heavy, so you can't half butt it, if you know what I'm saying. So again guys, just a quick walk around here. That's the plug. I guess that's on and off right there. I guess the blades will kind of slide right through here, which is pretty cool. This is a neat little thing, man. Again, through here, this looks like one of the shields. This is definitely one of the shields there for everything. I guess that collects the sparks. And so this you can buy as its own, or you can also buy with the balancer, and that's what's in here, because I can tell by the weight of it. I did get a blade balancer for it, which was a couple $100. That's this thing right here. So give me 1 second. Let me open this up just so you can see what it looks like. Got all kinds of stuff going on here. 6 a.m., middle of August, so nothing's pretty. I'm gonna try my best to get these videos out, but this time of year, the only thing you gotta be worried about is making money, so. And that's not off of YouTube videos, that is working. So this is, now you do gotta be careful with this, guys. This is an instrument, so. This thing's pretty sweet. Did pay an extra couple $100 for this, which is fine. Do you need it? Probably not. But I believe this gets hung up somewhere on the wall. Again, that came with its own set of directions. So one thing, guys, I gotta stress is that they really packed everything tight in this thing, which is pretty cool. When you get stuff like this, you know, you don't know how UPS and FedEx handles everything. I can't tell you how many times I've seen FedEx just throw stuff over my fence. But that's pretty cool. So this is the blade balancer. So that's sweet. But little walk around, guys. This is the packet it came with, which is pretty sweet. And this isn't light either. That's pretty cool. I like that. That's actually a little heavy. But guys, I went with this, like I said, for years. I've been using an angle grinder and a little balancer off Amazon, which is fine. You got to start somewhere. But doing 3 blades 5 days a week, like it just got out of hand real fast. So that's what we went with, the 8200. I think this is like one up from their base model, but this is pretty cool, guys. It came with this platform. So I have like a whole idea I have to kind of set this up and get it going, but it's pretty neat. I really like this. This is awesome. I've been saving up all year, kind of put a couple pennies aside each month. Well, more than a couple pennies, and you know, definitely want to give this a shot. So I'm not gonna mess with anything here because I really do not want to mess anything up. But real quick little spin around here. Nothing on that side, it's just flat. Like, I have no idea what any of this is. This is a handle. It's still pretty friggin' heavy. No idea. Not touching anything. I'm not going to start opening stuff up and messing with things until I read the directions and get it going. So, this is just a quick overview, guys, unboxing video. This is it. This is the Magna-Matic 8200 lawnmower blade sharpener. So, next day or two, guys, I'm going to get a video out on this and kind of get everything going. to kind of, you know, get you a good look at everything. Get it fired up, get it working, kind of a first blade sharpen. So thanks for watching, guys. Definitely gonna get some content out on this in the next day or two. So stay tuned.